Hey guys, it's me Ruby, and it was just hailing and raining really hard a minute ago. So yeah, but I want to show you something. It's my baby doll. Her name is Stella. This one's Evie, and Ella is my jeweler. Ella, and I have in this stroller, 2 strollers, a sink. This was my baby brother's before, and paint and stuff that I use for milk. Flour, I put milk, it keeps going at the bottom. Kind of piles up at the bottom if you reshake it. This is kind of my room, but I'm going to do room tour later. But I'm going to do more baby videos. And then go on. Who am I looking for? Well, where is he? Is he in my room right now? No, he isn't. I'll tell you about this mystery teddy bear in another video, but when I find him. But this is my yard. It's so rainy, and I put back here. If you really see, there's you see that white thing? That's my tub, and I kind of use that to measure how much rain there is. My brother kicked it over the last time, which was annoying, but I was trying to fill it back up. I liked it, but there's my hose and my bike over there. It's Princess bike, but my dad's thinking about getting me a new bike, but I'm just gonna be silent for this video, the rest of this video. Okay, bye. Until my camera stops, I'm gonna be silent. Hope you can hear that noise. And if we get to 50 subscribers, we will do a 50 subscriber special. That's kind of boring. You can probably click off. If you're not using this for nighttime video, for sleeping, or just listening to, you can click off, I don't mind. As long as you watch the talking part. I'm going to be doing more videos. It's almost summer, but yeah. And I'm going to be doing more videos in summer. Sorry I couldn't do a video for like a month. But see, I just don't have anything to do. But I'm going to do a baby doll video, so if you're a baby doll lover, stay tuned for that. I can do it on my dad's work phone. This channel. But I'll do videos, like baby videos on his work phone. But I just thought I'd do this. So I'm just gonna let it go. I'll show my face in maybe a year or 2. I'm sorry, but I don't like showing my face. Okay, it's calming down now. I'm just gonna do so what these are. These are shells I found down by the bridge. My biggest 2 are these 2. It's my big. Sorry about the background noise, but these are my biggest. what shells like this, shells like this. They're just this shell, kind of shell, and this kind of shell. That's the only shells that kind of shells in there. But I was washing them, but there's still dirt in them. Watch. Look. You can see stuff in there. It's gross. I can't get it out because otherwise I'll break the shell. These are snail shells. It looks really big on camera, but it's not. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what you're seeing. I'm just gonna show you shells and be silent the rest of the video. But if you stay tuned to this for this long, you're lucky because I'm going to tell you something that only the viewers that have been watching to the end know. Will know. And if you stay tuned for this long, I'm going to be doing 2 or 3 different series. Oops. I have blue sheet because my other blue sheet is washing. Focus. It's beautiful. So next video is going to be a baby live video. I'm going to do 2 videos tonight. Well, a couple videos tonight. I haven't been doing them, so I thought I'd just do it. So, if you're still on YouTube, stay on YouTube, and I should be posting a video in a couple of minutes. It's, for me, shells breaking. Focus. Focus. You can see that little crack there. So you can hear it. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye!